The Presidential Fellowship is a great opportunity for faculty to partner with students. We spend a summer working with students on a research project of their design, essentially. It's their questions that they want to get answered.
The President's Fellowship for Summer Research is something that we apply through the university, and we essentially write a paper about our project, and then we're selected by a group of professors. And then the students that receive the fellowship will get a grant to conduct their research or go to any conference that they want to present their research at.
There's a few really key things that make this incredibly valuable. One is it allows students to do research when they might not have the means to do so otherwise. But if they need to have a job, if they need to have an income, obviously we need some kind of mechanism to allow them to do that. Otherwise, they're just not going to be able to do a robust project.
For my fellowship, I researched poison frogs, and my project was testing how their toxin secretion affects their metabolism.
It's a way for them to only do research, and it's such a rewarding experience, especially if students are thinking about applying to grad school or law school, to say that I've done this really big project on my own. It's a really great feather in their cap.
So for students to engage in research, it's essentially the whole entire summer that they have. So if students were given money to do this, it would give many more students an opportunity to engage in research that they otherwise might not have.
The biggest expense is summer housing.
For some, it's complete barrier, because if they don't have an apartment in Scranton and they don't live locally, we don't have the ability to house them anywhere.
Being engaged in research really allowed me to open up to a new community of people, because in the lab, it's not just me. There's about 20 other students currently there, and so it gave me the opportunity to mentor them, and then they were able to help me with my own project.
And I think for a lot of students who get to do research and ask their own questions, it's sort of a foot in the door of understanding that so much of what we do in a university is built on these questions and trying to find answers for them. It helps them realize that there's so much that goes on behind the scenes to try and find our own interests in life, to sort of carve our own path.